Lesson 2.7, Unit Addition and Subtraction, Week 4. In focus. Here are some numbers: 2, 7, 9, 6. Then you've got some blank boxes, a plus sign, a blank box and a 0. Make two numbers using 2, 7, 9 and 6. Add them to get a total. How many different totals less than 1,000 can you get? So let's learn. Here we're going to look at the column addition method. Okay, so we have our numbers in the correct places: our hundreds, our tens and our ones. 629 add 70. Let's look how they did that. So over here we've got our hundreds. How many hundreds do we have here? 6. How many tens do we have? 9. And how many ones do we have? 2. Down here we have 7 tens and 0 ones. And it's written just like this: hundreds 6, tens 9, ones 2, plus 70. 70 is in the tens, 0 is in the ones. Then we add the ones first. 2 plus 0 is 2. Next step, add the tens. 9 plus 7 tens equals 16 tens. Regroup the tens. 16 tens equals 106 tens. So here we need to regroup, okay? So we're taking 10 tens and putting it over here into the hundreds, okay? So down here we have 2 plus 0 is 2. We've done that. Then we add our tens. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1, 6. And we know that it's 160. Next part, add the hundreds. So here we have now our 600s, okay? So you add that 600 and then you get the total, 762. Let's look at number 2. 792 add 60. Step 1, add the ones. Okay, so 2 plus nothing is 2. Step 2, add the tens. 9 plus 6 is 15. That's right, guys, we need to regroup. 15 tens is 105 tens. We take our 10 tens and we regroup to the hundreds. So it becomes 9 plus 6 is 15. We put our 5 down in the tens and we regroup the 1 in the hundreds. Step 3, add the hundreds. 100 plus 700s equals 800s. And it's written down here in our column addition. 1 plus 7 equals 8. The answer is 852. Another way we can do this: add 297, add 60. You choose the method you like, so remember, you can use your column addition. This is just another method. So 297 add 60. What they've done here is they have partitioned the 60. They have taken they have looked at 297. So that is 3 away from being 300. So they've put 3 down here. And they've taken the 3 off the 60, which makes it 57. So 300 plus 57. So the answer then is 357. Number 4, 692 plus 70 is more than 700 but less than 800. 792 plus 60 is more than 800 but less than 900. 297 plus 60 is more than 300 but less than 400. Holly says 692 is about 700. Elliot says 792 is about 800. Ruby says 297 is about 300. Elliot has the greatest number as a total. Guided practice. Again, you're using different number cards: 8, 5, 4 and 6. So you're making a 3-digit number and a 2-digit number. You need to make two numbers using these cards and add them to get the total. A. Show 5 more ways of doing it. Okay, show 5 ways to add it. What is the greatest total you can get? What is the smallest total you can get? Then estimate. Estimate means to guess. Okay, so first of all, guess what you think the answers to A and B is. Okay, then you can work out the answers. Elliot says 397 is about, what do you think he's going to say? He's going to say it's about 400. And this girl is saying 599 is about, well, it's about 600. So see, they are trying to guess. They are trying to estimate the answers. Can you do the same for A and B? Then you have your answers to have a look at when you've finished your guided practice. And then you've got your independent task. 255 plus 60. Remember, you can use your column addition for this. So 255 add 60. I'm just going to do it over here to help you. So remember, you've got your hundreds, tens, ones. 255 add 60. So everything is in the right place. Let's start. 5 plus nothing is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. I need to regroup. I put my 1 in the tens and I regroup 1 in the hundreds. 1 plus 2 is 3. So my answer there is 315. In the next two, they are using a different method, the other method that we looked at in our Let's Learn. Remember, you can check all your answers back here just in case you get stuck. So remember, 593, well, that's close to 600. So 593 to 600, let's count on. 593, 594, 595, 596, 597, 598, 599, 600. So this would be 7. And then remember, for this number, we do 40, take away 7. Well, what's 40 take away 7? Well done, 33. And then what you're doing is, remember, you can check your answers back here. So remember, it's 600 add 33, and your answer will be 600 plus 33, and you get 633. Remember, you can choose the method you like. Do you like this method, your column addition, or do you prefer this? You choose when you're solving. You continue on, and remember, check your answers when you're done.